Oh, hello there. Yes, it's me, Marcus, and I've actually bought a car that I'm quite happy with. Though it seems to be leaking coolant, but it's okay. You just go ahead and fall in the middle of everything. Anyways, today I'm gonna try to paint my wing or rear spoiler. Depends on what you want to call it. So I'm gonna show you the process, how I do it. I'm a fucking amateur at this, but I'm gonna try my best. This is just some ABS plastic or something, which I'm just gonna spray some black paint on, and hopefully it seems... and hopefully it will be good after I've done that, but it's okay. Anyway, let's begin. I don't believe anyone can see what kind of car it is from this wing, but I'm gonna show you a clip of the car. It's a BMW E30 316 coupe, but it do have an E36 engine, like M42 B18 or something. Don't quote me on that one because I have no fucking clue and I don't want that engine. But anyways, we're gonna be putting on this M3 spoiler, Evo 2 I believe it is. But first we need to degrease this, which I already have done, so we're just gonna begin to paint, I think. Before I did scuff it with some abrasive. I don't know what it's called, but it's some kind of foam with, I don't know. In Sweden we call it Scotch-Brite, I think. So we got a ton of swirls in the plastic at the moment, but it's okay. It shouldn't show when we're done, and this is just one part of the spoiler. The other one will be kind of paint matched with the car, but I don't know if the wing that was on, it's a original wing. I don't know if someone that shouldn't have been putting it on did it, because or if the car have been like painted after, because there's two different colors under the wing. So it is what it is, but overall it's kinda a nice car. That one, but we're just gonna do the other side. gonna begin to paint the last part of the wing before installing. I've actually already drilled a hole in the trunk because I forgot to hit record. So hopefully you just, if you're gonna do this yourself, just be careful with your measurements. Measure many times before drilling, so hopefully it goes as smooth as possible.